Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Toyota Avalon. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 6½ quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for at least 15 minutes to prevent burns. Now let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, typically a 13mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Find the old filter, usually a cylindrical canister, often located near the front of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, let's add the new oil. First, securely replace and tighten the oil drain plug. Then, locate the oil filler cap on top of your engine and remove it. Carefully pour in about 6½ quarts of the recommended new engine oil. After adding the oil, replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.